After a 7-hour flight from the US to Glasgow and a 5-hour train trip from Glasgow to my leg, we started the TGO this morning. I met up with Bigfoot and Black Alashan.
Gotta be tall for something, man.
Plug it in.
Naps are always awesome.
Matt.
Taking a nap sounds like a good idea.
And Joe from Z-Packs.
Well, rain's over.
And we are out here in the Highlands. As you can see behind me, it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that view. Actually, I have not felt like saying a lot. I'm just kind of taking it all in.
3.5 miles left? Yeah.
It's super wet, soggy.
Wow.
This morning when we left the hostel and signed in, it was raining. We went down, dipped our foot in the bay. So we dipped our foot in the west coast. And we're gonna hike all the way across the country and hopefully be dipping our foot in the east coast. But it's starting to get kind of gray. We think it's gonna rain again. It's Scotland. It's probably gonna rain every single day that I'm here. But just gorgeous. I'll try to give you guys as many views as I possibly can.